Friends, Andrew here. Welcome back to tutorial, and in this video I'm going to show you how to show bookmark bar in Microsoft Edge. So let me go ahead and head over to a website here. So let's say I want to go to wap.com, right? So I go ahead and I type in wap.com and I'm at the website, and let's say I want to bookmark this website. All I have to do is just simply click the bookmark or the favorites icon on the uppermost right hand side of the search bar here, and I'm going to go ahead and choose where I want to do it. So let's say I want to leave it on the favorites bar. I'm going to leave it there. Simple click and done. Now you notice that you're not seeing the bar. How do you show the bookmark bar or the favorites bar in Microsoft Edge? So all you have to do, click the three dots on the uppermost right hand side, go down to where it says favorites, click on that, and from here you want to look to the upper right hand side where you have the three dots. It says more options, you click on that, and you want to go down to where it says show favorite bar, and you want to go ahead and put an always. Once you check this, guys, it's going to go ahead and show your favorites bar or your bookmark bar in Microsoft Edge. And that's it. Very easy and very simple.